Sairam students, welcome back to our general knowledge session. Today we will start 25th lesson newspapers. Students, it is Hickey's Bengal Gazette newspaper. It was the first English language newspaper and the first printed newspaper to be published in both the Indian subcontinent and in Asia. Newspaper is a publication devoted chiefly to presenting and commenting on the news. Newspapers provide an excellent means of keeping us well informed of current events. They also play a vital role in shaping public opinion. Students, reading newspaper is a good habit. It helps to update our knowledge and provide a great sense of educational value. So read newspaper daily. In match the following. In first column, name of the newspapers are given. In second column, name of the cities or countries are given. Students, please do these changes in your textbook. In second column, B, Australia, write there Russia. In G, USA is there, write there China. In J, UK is there, write there France. In K, Karachi is there, write there New York. In M, USA is there, write there Germany. Let's start. Match the following. First, daily news. Answer in New York. The New York Daily News, officially titled The Daily News, is an American newspaper based in New York City, founded in 1919 as an imitation of the British Daily Mirror. It was the first US daily printed in tabloid format. As of 2019, it was the 11th highest circulated newspaper in the United States. Answer: First N. Second, People's Daily. Answer: China. The People's Daily is the largest newspaper group in China. The paper is an official newspaper of the Central Committee of the Chinese Communist Party. It was founded in 15 June 1948. Answer: First G. Third, Pravda. Answer: Russia. Pravda is a Russian broadsheet newspaper, formerly the official newspaper of the Communist Party of the Soviet Union, when it was one of the most influential papers in the country with a circulation of 11 million. The newspaper began publication on 5th May 1912 in the Russian Empire. Answer: Third B. Fourth, Dawn. Answer: Pakistan. Dawn is Pakistan's oldest English language newspaper. It is one of the country's three largest news language dailies and the flagship of the Dawn group of newspapers. Dawn is published by Pakistan Herald Publications. It was founded on 26 October 1941. Answer: 4 L. Fifth, Daily Mirror. Answer: UK. The Daily Mirror is a British national daily tabloid newspaper founded in 1903. It is owned by parent company Rich plc from 1985 to 1987 and from 1997 to 2002. The title on its masthead was simply The Mirror. Answer: 5th A. Sixth, The Sunday Times. Answer: UK. The Sunday Times is a British newspaper whose circulation makes it the largest in the quality press market category. It is published by Times Newspapers Limited, a subsidiary of News UK, which is in turn owned by News Corporation. It was founded in 1821. Answer: 6th F. Seventh, Le Monde. Answer: France. Le Monde is a French daily afternoon newspaper. It is the main publication of Le Monde Group. It was founded in 1944. Answer 7th J. 8. The Times of India. Answer India. The Times of India is an Indian English language daily newspaper and digital news media owned and managed by the Times Group. According to Audit Bureau of Circulation, it is ranked ninth in the world by circulation and third in India. It is the oldest English language newspaper in India. The Times of India issued its first edition on 3rd November 1838 as the Bombay Times and Journal of Commerce. Answer 8th I. 9th New York Times. Answer New York. The New York Times is an American newspaper based in New York City with worldwide influence and readership. Nicknamed the Grey Lady, the Times has long been regarded within the industry as a national newspaper of record. The paper's motto, "All the news that's fit to print," appears in the upper left-hand corner of the front page. Founded in 1851, the paper has won 130 Pulitzer Prizes, more than any other newspaper. It is ranked 18th in the world by circulation and 3rd in the US. Answer 9K. 10th Washington Post. Answer USA. The Washington Post is an American daily newspaper published in Washington, D.C. It is founded in 1877. The newspaper has won 69 Pulitzer Prizes, the second most of any publication after the New York Times. Answer 10th D. 11th Yomiuri Shimbun. Answer Japan. The Yomiuri Shimbun is a Japanese newspaper published in Tokyo, Osaka, Fukuoka, and other major Japanese cities. Founded in 1874, the Yomiuri Shimbun is credited with having the largest newspaper circulation in the world. Answer 11th E. 12th The Sun. Answer UK. The Sun is a tabloid newspaper published in the United Kingdom and the Republic of Ireland as a broadsheet. It was founded in 1964 as a successor to the Daily Herald. It is published by the News Group Newspapers Division of News UK. Answer 12th H. 13. The Mirror. Answer Britain. The Mirror official name, the Daily Mirror, daily newspaper published in London that frequently has the largest circulation in Britain. The Mirror was founded by Alfred Hamsworth, later Viscount Northcliffe, in 1903 as a newspaper for women. Answer 13C. 14. Bild. Answer Germany. Bild is a German tabloid newspaper published by Axel Springer, SE. It is the best-selling European newspaper and has the 16th largest circulation worldwide. It was founded in 1952. Answer 14M. Did you know, students, people in ancient Rome had their own thin newspaper called Acta Diurna? Students, we have completed 25th lesson. Students, we will start 26th lesson, World Cup Cricket. The World Cup cricket tournament is held after every 4 years. The first tournament was held in 1975 in England, in which England, Australia, West Indies, New Zealand, India, and Pakistan took part. The West Indies won this tournament and also the next one in 1979. The first three tournaments for three consecutive occasions: 1975, 1979 and 1983 were held in England. The ICC International Cricket Council is in charge of the overall administration of the World Cup cricket tournament, though the ruling bodies of the countries where the tournaments take place are responsible for local arrangements. The ICC was originally founded in 1909 as the Imperial Cricket Conference but was renamed the International Cricket Council in 1989. Now fill in the blanks and complete the table. The World Cup tournament record. In year 1975, runner-up Australia, venue England, winner West Indies. West Indies defeated Australia in the final at Lord's by 17 runs to become the first World Cup winners. In 1979, runner-up England, venue England, winner West Indies. England met in the final at Lord's with the West Indies defending their title from 4 years earlier with a 92-run victory. In 1983, runner-up West Indies, venue England, winner India. India defeated two-time defending champions West Indies in the final by 43 runs at the iconic Lord's. Kapil Dev's team were bowled out for a meager 183 runs in 54.4 overs. In 1987, runner-up England, venue India and Pakistan, winner Australia. The competition was won for the first time by Australia, who defeated their arch-rivals England by 7 runs in the second most closely fought World Cup final to date in Kolkata's Eden Gardens Stadium. In 1992, runner-up England, venue Australia and New Zealand, winner Pakistan. Pakistan defeated England by 22 runs in the final to become the World Cup champions for the first time. In 1996, runner-up Australia, venue India, Pakistan and Sri Lanka, winner Sri Lanka. The tournament was won by Sri Lanka, which defeated Australia in the final at the Gaddafi Stadium in Lahore, Pakistan. In 1999, runner-up Pakistan, venue England, winner Australia. The tournament was won by Australia, who beat Pakistan by 8 wickets in the final at Lord's Cricket Ground in London. In 2003, runner-up India, venue South Africa, winner Australia. The tournament was eventually won by Australia, who won all 11 of their matches, beating India in the final played at the Wanderers Stadium in Johannesburg. In 2007, runner-up Sri Lanka, venue West Indies, winner Australia. Australia defeated Sri Lanka by 53 runs, Duckworth-Lewis turn method, in the final to clinch their fourth World Cup. Did you know, students, Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar is the highest run scorer in the World Cup. He scored 1,796 runs in 36 matches, 2,278 runs in 45 matches. Students were completed 26 lessons. Now it's fun quiz time. First, in which year overs in Cricket World Cup reduced to 50 from 60? Options: A 1986, B 1987, C 1988, D 1989. Do you know the answer? Yes, it was reduced in 1987. Second, who set a world record in Cricket World Cup of hitting six sixes in an over against Netherlands spinner Don van Bungie? Options: A. Jack Scalise, B. Herschel Gibbs, C. Yuvraj Singh, D. Virender Sehwag. Answer: yes. Who is he? Herschel Gibbs. Students, we have completed 25th and 26th lesson. We will meet again in the next session. Till then, take care. Goodbye.